My name is Joe Guerrera. I'm taking the intimidation out of cooking seafood. With all the salmon farms in the world today, that has made salmon the most popular seafood item that there is. And today, I am going to show you how simple it is to grill a piece of salmon. So first, I have to oil the grill. This way the salmon does not, this fish does not stick. Now, on top of that, I'm gonna take 2 pieces of salmon. I am going to give it an oil bath. This way, for sure, it doesn't stick. And one other thing that I do, whether people agree with it or not, there's a question about it. I'm gonna put the meat, the flesh side down first. Why? Because if you put the skin side down first and it sticks, people are gonna get all worried. What am I gonna do when they flip it over? So this way, you don't have that issue. We're gonna serve it like this. You should get a crispy skin from this, which is delicious, which is one of my favorite things is crispy skin. I think we're good. So I just finished grilling this salmon, and in my book, Joe Knows Fish, which takes the intimidation out of cooking seafood, you'll find other grilling recipes, and there's other sides in the book, and you can get it all at Citarella.com.